Yeah, today is the 1st of February. Out here on my Ultra. On this one, with fairing and windshield, I've got zero pressure on my chest. I mean, zero makes it very nice. And it's about 70 degrees. And so far I've ridden about 90 miles. And this is a perfect little ride. Some 2-lane highway, 4-lane divided. Right now I'm at a little rest area, north and east of where we live. And good stopping point. But yeah, another Indian summer day. I got all kinds of things I could be doing other than burning gas on a motorcycle, but you know, sometimes you gotta do fun stuff too. So that's what I decided to do. Now, I'm extremely blessed. I got 3 Harleys. And I just took my anniversary edition Dyna Lowrider out on January 1st. So I figured it was a good time to take this one out. Had a lot of work done to it right after I bought it. It's got performance everything on it. It is a very fast motorcycle. When you get home, it'll be time to give it a bath and good wax job. Got dead bugs all over the front already. And but yeah, I do like my Harleys. This will be I got 3 in the garage, and over the many decades I had 3 other ones, plus some Japanese bikes too. I think I've had 10 motorcycles in my life, so you can kind of tell I like my motorcycles. And now I actually got time to ride. And I don't let my wife ride behind me yet. Now, I'm old and stiff. That's problem number 1. And if I get wiped out in a wreck and hurt myself, that's bad enough. Get wiped out in a wreck and hurt my wife too. I don't want to have that on my conscience. Once I get a few thousand miles under my belt, then I'll take her for a ride on this one, and only this one, not the other ones. But yeah, it's just a wonderful day to be on a motorcycle, without a doubt. Traffic's not bad, the roads are good. This is a Thursday, so not dealing with too many fools on the road. Again, it's just a really pleasant day. So let me throw a lead back over this thing. I'll probably head back south, and then my goal today is to get a couple 100 miles on this thing, and so I can put in some fresh gas. I run non-ethanol 91 or 93 octane, and that works out well. The bike's perfect, you know. And people ask, well, why do you have 3 Harleys? Okay, well, for what I paid for these 3 used Harleys, plus all the work I had done to all of them to make them mine, it's still less than the cost of one new 2024 Ultra. Not even getting into the CBO series, just the standard 2024 Ultra. Stuff's just expensive, and I do like my old stuff. Anyway, about all for this one. Let me get laid back over this thing and keep on riding. Thank you.